Have you ever pondered the magnificent feat of cooking 100 ducks at once? It sounds like an epic culinary challenge, doesn't it? Well, today, we're about to embark on this gastronomic journey together, unraveling the secrets of this mammoth task. First things first, sourcing the ducks. Always aim for fresh, free-range ducks. They provide not only superior taste but also a healthier option. Next, preparation becomes key. Every duck needs a thorough cleaning, both inside and out. Pay special attention to removing any remaining feathers and quills. Cleanliness ensures a better taste and a more pleasant cooking experience. Now, the marination process is where the magic begins. A mix of garlic, ginger, soy sauce, 5-spice powder, and a splash of sherry wine gives these ducks a flavor that's out of this world. Each duck gets a generous coating inside and out, and then it's time for them to rest and soak up all those delicious flavors. While our ducks are marinating, it's the perfect opportunity to prepare the gigantic cooking apparatus. A combination of frying and steaming will be our cooking method of choice. A large, specially designed fryer and steamer will be our best friends in this endeavor. The frying stage comes first. This stage is crucial for achieving that irresistible crispy skin we all love. Each duck is carefully lowered into the hot oil and fried until golden brown. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with large quantities of hot oil. Once all the ducks have been fried, it's time for the final cooking process, steaming. Steaming allows the ducks to cook evenly, ensuring that every bite is succulent and tender. Each duck is placed in the steamer and the waiting game begins. After several hours in the steamer, the ducks are now perfectly cooked. They're juicy, flavorful, and ready to be served. But these ducks aren't destined for just any table. These 100 ducks are headed for a noble cause. They're about to become a food donation. Prepared with love and care, they're set to bring joy and nourishment to those who need it most. In summary, cooking 100 ducks at once is a grand culinary endeavor. It requires careful preparation, a thoughtful cooking process, and a whole lot of patience. But the result is not just a feast for the senses, but also a heartwarming act of generosity. The impact of this food donation goes beyond filling empty stomachs. It brings a sense of community, of shared joy, and the comforting knowledge that someone cares. Every delicious bite of these 100 ducks carries with it a message of love and compassion. So, the next time you think about cooking a single duck, remember this epic culinary journey. And who knows, perhaps you'll feel inspired to undertake a similar endeavor, spreading joy and delicious food in your own unique way.